Hi, Joshua Kahana here with Top Shelf Property Inspections. We're here following the installation of windows and doors that are being installed by Ecoline Windows. We expect high quality windows to come from Ecoline, and we're excited to be here today. As we can see, we have the older style metal windows installed. There's the wood frame with the aluminum clad. These windows can be drafty, difficult to operate, potential water leaks. These clients are looking to upgrade for a newer style, high emission, energy efficient vinyl windows today. Here we are observing the removal of the window, and we'll check the structure and components of the wall structure after. To remove the window, this is a great time to inspect the structure and the header, the king stud, jack stud, cripples, and the opening.
Their crew, they were really diligent. They got right down to business. They were fast, professional. They knew what they were doing. They got the windows in and out in 2 days.
So here the Ecoline crew is installing Tyvek to protect the wood framing members. It's going to surround the exterior of the side of the window, and then they'll install the window and wrap it properly after. Here we can see they're applying the 3M to the bottom sill of the window to protect it from any water damages in the future. They're going to wrap it up the side and then fold it over the Tyvek building paper outside on the front exterior. Here we have an installed window. Let's take a look at how they've done it. They've shimmed the window to make sure it's nice and level. That'll help with the ease of function. They've got a good amount of spray foam around the whole thing to prevent drafty windows and keep it nice and sealed up. This casement window's got great function with dual locking casement window function for extra security and locking in the seal. Great job. Here we can see the exterior side of the window installation. The Ecoline crew has cut back the siding around the window for nail fin installation. They've got it nicely sealed up and ready to get it finished. Or Ecoline Windows, top shelf approved.
So it all starts with Costco. We've been shopping there long enough to know that we can trust what they offer. We contacted their salesperson, Dimitri. He was really great and patient with us because it took us a while to figure out what it is that we wanted. I liked right away that you could open the window in a way that you could clean it easily. And that was a high selling point for me. And the fact that they looked really solid and felt solid and the mechanisms worked well. I'm really excited. We had friends come over who just gushed about how good the house looks now and how modernized it looks just by having the windows changed.